Dear students, hope you all are doing great. So, welcome back to our online classes. For your today's class, I have chosen a very important one from parts of speech, and that is adverb. Earlier, we had a lot of classes concerning different parts of a part of speech. So today I thought now it's time to give it a revision, and as we have gone through noun, pronoun, adjective, so why not about adverb? Okay. So today we are going to discuss adverb. So please have your exercise book with you so that you can note it down, so that you won't have any problem while giving it a revision. Okay. So basically, to go through adverb, before going through adverb, we need to know the definition of adverb. Okay. When we were going through adverb, we learned that adverb are basically used to give more information about verbs. Okay. Let us concentrate more that verb, adverb. So verb means to do something, and how to do that something, that means how to do a work. This how easily or how quickly, this how is basically meant to be here in adverb. Got it? So on the earlier lectures we had definition concerning adverb, so let us have the definition once again. Okay babies? So basically, adverbs are words that are used to give more information about verbs. Okay? That how a verb is being done, or how to do the work, how quickly, how faster, how slowly, this how, when, where, this type of questions are meant to be in adverb. I mean, if you are being asked about when to do the work, where to do the work, how to do the work, this when, how, where, these are basically, these are the signals of adverbs. Okay babies, let me give you some more information about adverb. So they can be basically, the adverbs can be used to describe the action and give information about when, where, and how of the action, or to compare the actions. Okay? Like, for example, if I say he is working slowly, here how is he working? He is working slowly. That means the speed of his work, the speed of his activity is too slow. Okay? So let us have some of the examples concerning adverb. Okay, babies? Here see, Ankita is working hard. Ankita is working hard. How is Ankita working? She's working hard. That means she is making effort. So here, the speed of her work, the flow of her work is being termed as adverb. Okay? So here, what's the correct adverb? The correct adverb in this sentence, Ankita is working hard. Here, the correct adverb is hard. Let us underline the adverb here. Okay, more specifically or definitely. Okay, let us underline. So, where to underline? We should underline hard. Should we underline is? No, is here an auxiliary verb. So, I can't underline is as adverb. Okay. Ankita? No, Ankita is the name of a girl. Okay. We all know who is Ankita in our class. Ankita is our classmate. Okay. So, Ankita is a noun as it's the name of a girl. So, I can't underline it as adverb. Working? No. We all know working means it's a verb. Okay, working means she's doing something, so I can't basically underline it. So what should I do now? Should I underline working is Ankita? No, none of this. But I have to underline hurt. Okay, H-A-R-D, hurt. So we are going to underline the word hurt as it is the verb, as it is indicating the flow of the verb, as it is determining the speed of Ankita's working. Got it? So I would like to ask you to have your exercise book so that you can also mention, or you can also do the exercises with your miss. Okay, babies, and I know that you already done a lot of exercises from adverb, but still I want you to make a revise. So that's why I'm asking you to have your pencil and exercise book. Okay, so we are going to basically underline the word here, uh, H-A-R-D, heart. Okay, babies? So let us underline it. So we are done. Ankita is working hard. Here, hard is the adverb. So if we make another example for adverb, like Karuna is running quickly. We all know that yes, Karuno is basically very expert in running. So why not using an example with him? So it's if we say that running, Karuno is running quickly. Okay, let us first mention the sentence. Okay, on the board, then we will find the correct adverb out. Okay, babies. So here see Karuno is running quickly. How is Karuno running? Is he running quickly or slowly? He is running quickly. Here basically by the word quickly we can have sense, we have that sense that yes, he is running too fast. Okay, it's basically indicating the way of his running, the speed of his running. Okay, so how is he running? If I ask you that how is Karuna running, then you are answering that you are giving the answer that Karuna is running quickly. Okay, so here what's the correct adverb? Karuna is the correct adverb? No, as Karuna is the name of a very handsome boy in our class, so it can be an adverb. Rather, it's a noun because it's the name of a very dashing boy of our class. Okay, so Karuna can be an adverb. Now coming to the next one, after Karuna we are having here is. Okay, so if I ask you that is, do you think it is it is a verb, adverb? No, it is not an adverb. Basically it's a verb, but which verb it is it? It's the it is basically auxiliary verb. Okay, we all know that am, is, or was, where, these are the auxiliary verb. So is can't be an adverb. Running, of course, run means he's doing something physically. Okay, so it's a kind of activity. So any kind of activity or any kind of work, okay, though it mentally or physically, whether it mentally or physically it's done, but it is basically categorized as a verb. So I can't mention running as a adverb. So after running, what comes? It's quickly. So basically, do you think quickly is an adverb? Does it indicate anything? Does it indicate the speed of his running? Yes. So here basically Karuno is running quickly. In this whole sentence, in this complete sentence, we are having an adverb, and the adverb is quickly. Okay, so what should I underline here? I should underline the word quickly as an adverb. Okay, babies? So I would also like to ask you to underline the same. Please underline the word quickly. Okay, here we go. So we are done with the second example also. So in the first one, Ankita is working hard. Here the adverb is hard. Why it is the verb? Because it is basically indicating the way of Ankita's working, the effort of Ankita's working, the flow of her activity. Okay, so that's why hard is the adverb. So now coming to the next one, it is the example is Karuno is running quickly. Okay, Karuno is running quickly. Here basically quickly, by the word quickly we can have that sense. Yes, it is basically indicating the flow of Karuno's running, the speed of Karuno's running. Okay, so let us see with how more examples can we, we can mention the adverb. Okay, so let us see some of the more examples concerning adverb. So the another one is she spoke yesterday. She spoke yesterday. When did she speak? She spoke yesterday. Yesterday. When? Yesterday. So the answer of when, when, that means the answer of this specific time is the adverb. So what's the adverb here? It is yesterday. Why it is an adverb? Because it is asking about when. Okay, it is asking about the correct time. So that's why I am going to underline yesterday as adverb. In the bracket, Miss has mentioned when, because the answer of when is yesterday. So seeing the word yesterday, I can sense that it is asking about when. So the answer of this when is the adverb here basically. Now she spoke at the meeting. Where did she spoke? She speak. Where did she speak? She spoke at the meeting. Here the answer of where is the adverb. At the meeting. Where did she speak? At the meeting. So here the answer of where is again an adverb. Okay, babies? Now say the next one. She spoke nicely. How did she speak? How? The answer of how is again an adverb. So how did she spoke? She spoke nicely. Nicely. Okay. So here the answer of how is again an adverb. So I am going to underline nicely here, because it's the answer of the word how. So basically we can have a trick here, that if you are being asked with the word when, where, how, and you are getting an answer for it, a specific answer for it, that means it is surely and absolutely it is an adverb. Okay, so here she spoke yesterday. When did she speak? Yesterday. So it's an adverb. Where did she speak? She spoke at the meeting. It's again an adverb. She spoke nicely. How did she speak? She spoke nicely. So when, where, how, in this way, if you are being asked some questions and if you are getting your answer, that means it's adverb. Okay, and one more tricks, though it is a very lame tricks, but I would like to, of course I introduced it before you. So it is basically ly. Just after the word ly, if you are having any word with ly, that means it is surely an adverb. Okay, not every time but most of the time. So that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the class on adverb. Please practice such adverbs in your home. So we will have another class on adverb with exercises concerning, with the exercises from adverb. Okay, so till then stay well and take care.